There's a certain level of honesty that society cannot stand. And once you reach that level, they take you out. Check this. You are in grade 12 with a fellow white brother, white sister. And after grade 12, you have to prove to the system while in grade 12, before, after, while in grade 12, while in the same grade 12 class, you have to prove to the system that you qualify to gain access into the university. And as a black child trying to make an exit out of poverty, out of environmental operations, you nail your grade 12 with distinction. Remember, a white child doesn't have to do that. Old money is not a joke. Okay? You nail your grade 12 with distinctions, gain access to varsity. White man's child goes to college for 6 months and to an accounting firm, for example. In that same 6 months, you are in university for 4 years. You graduate after 4 years, after being fried with exams and assignments, supplementary exams, repetitions of courses and all that shit. And they give you an internship where you have to prove, or maybe they prepare you for the so-called industry. After 5 years in university, in that 5 years, a white man's child or your fellow white brother and your fellow white sister has been in an accounting firm for that 5 years. And when they advertise for jobs, they say you have to be at least under the age of 26 with a relevant qualification. They don't specify whether it's a degree or a diploma or a certificate, right? Relevant qualification and a minimum of 3 years experience. Tell me, as a black man's child, where do you get that experience? Who qualifies for that job? Who are they advertising for? You were in university for 5 years. 4 years, 5 years, 1 year of internship or learnership. The other one was already in the industry in that 5 years. That job is not for you, black child. Checkmate. We're not winning this battle. Never. What did they do to DJ's Boo when he started his More Fire? What did they do to Zola 7 when he was trying to start his own black thing? Today, what are they doing to any black child who's trying to get his head out of the system, out of the capitalist system? You are never going to win this battle. It ain't gonna happen.